Well, if you were out and about today, you probably saw these signs saying on the road, off the phone. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Casey Lund. That's the message law enforcement wants to get out as the new distracted driving law goes into effect in some parts of the state today. KXLY4's Caroline Flynn working for you tonight to get answers to the questions you have about that new law. Caroline?
Well, this new law has been called an important milestone in the journey to Target Zero. Last year alone, 156 of the 537 roadway deaths in Washington were blamed on distractions of various kinds. That's more than 1/4. If you were on the road today, these alert signs were hard to miss. Whether you're on the freeway or cruising downtown, if you're driving in Washington, you need to be off the phone. Drivers we spoke with today didn't have a problem with the new law.
I think that's safer because I don't think it's a good idea to talk on your cell phone or text while you're driving.
But they did have some questions.
I'd like to know exactly what is considered a distraction.
Under the law, it is now illegal to hold your cell phone while driving, even when you're stopped in traffic. Calling, texting, taking pictures, basically anything that takes your focus off the road. If you're caught, it's a $136 ticket, and it could raise your insurance rates. One of the most common questions we were asked about was what the law means by distractions like eating and grooming as a secondary offense.
If I'm speeding and I get pulled over and I have my coffee in my hand, yeah, what would be the consequences of that?
If you were to be pulled over for something like a dangerous lane change and happen to be fixing your makeup or enjoying a snack, law enforcement can additionally write you a $99 ticket.
That's going to be a hard habit to break. I mean, I don't think many people are going to follow that rule.
If I have to eat some food, I'm not going to be concerned about somebody pulling me over for a tail light.
There are some exceptions. You can make emergency calls.
What sort of devices or new technology is out there that can help drivers meet their needs as well as the laws?
A smartphone mounted on the dashboard can be used for things that require minimal use of a finger, like a voice-activated call or navigation app. Determining excessive use of it is up to the discretion of the officer. The law goes into effect at different times throughout the state. In Spokane and with the Washington State Troopers, there is a 6-month grace period. During that time, warnings will be issued and educational materials passed out. In Colfax, the law has already gone into effect and tickets are being issued. Live in studio, Caroline Flynn, KXLY4 News.
Important information. Thank you, Caroline.